Hi there, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and thank you so much for watching this channel. Very important video. Difference between enterprise risk and IT related risk. Anybody can ask you in the interview. A very important video to understand and learn what is the difference, what are the major categories of risks, what is enterprise risk, what is IT related risk, and how to differentiate between them. What are the major categories we will understand with examples. Okay, please watch carefully, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to add in the comment section. Thank you. So, enterprise risk is a risk which is faced by a business, an enterprise, an organization. Any type of risk that are faced by organizations is defined as enterprise risk. Major categories are strategic risk, market risk, compliance risk, operational risk, and environmental risk. Strategic risk could be not implementing proper strategic plans in place for an enterprise and not thinking strategically could produce strategic risk as well. So, not thinking a long term plan for the organization, having proper mission, vision in place for an organization can enter into strategic risks. Market risk can become important because let's say if an organization is entering a market and the market is already occupied or the market is changing very drastically, so again it becomes an enterprise risk for the organization. Compliance risk will become if any sort of government compliance or regulations are not followed by the organization. In that case, it becomes a compliance risk for the organization. Operational risk is if the operational procedures are not followed properly as per the standard protocols, set of procedures, SOPs, then it becomes an operational risk. If the defined policies are not followed, the procedures are not followed by the employees, then it becomes an operational risk for the organization. Okay. After that, environmental risks, if any sort of environmental waste is being produced by the organization and the carbon footprint is very high, so all those risks enter into environmental risks as well for an enterprise. These could vary from business to business, but it is very important to know what are enterprise risks. After that, IT related risks. IT related risks are very important to understand. IT value enablement, whether the IT projects that you are performing, whether the IT functions that you have are providing value to the organization or not. Okay, that is IT value enablement. Okay, it has to be there. If it is not there, then it is IT related risk. IT project risk, all the IT projects that you are having in your organization, all the IT projects, are they working fine or not? If not, then again it's IT related risk. IT operations risk, if your infrastructure, IT security, any sort of IT related operations are not working properly, then again it becomes IT operations risk. Cyber and info risk come again into IT related risk because cyber deals with all the data in the digital form and information deals with data in the physical form. So any form of contractual obligations if you have, and if you are not following properly in the physical storage of data or offsite backup of data or cloud backup of disaster recovery, any sort of cyber risks can come into place if we talk about cyber and information related risk for IT related risks. So I hope this has given you a brief understanding of different types of risks, enterprise risk categories and IT related risk categories. Thank you so much for watching. If always any questions, please feel free to add in the comment section. Thank you.